I just got this box from JP Fans. JP Fans is a proxy service that allows you to buy items from the Japanese market and import them to the UK at a fraction of the cost of other companies. So you can find some really exclusive stuff out there, and I found some really good diecast cars. We're gonna crack this open and see what I picked up, guys. Well, it seems to be very well packed. Very happy to pick up this 180SX Mini GT Liberty Walk silhouette casting, and it looks beautiful in this packaging. You can see it says Liberty Walk limited edition, and that doesn't mean that this is a numbered limited edition. For Mini GT, it just means that they'll only produce this once and they'll never produce it again. So yeah, pretty awesome. But what makes this particularly rare is the packaging. You can see right here it says Tokyo Auto Salon 2026, and the Tokyo Auto Salon is a big car show for modified cars and race cars in Japan, and this diecast was exclusive and given out at this year's Tokyo Auto Salon, so it is a Japanese exclusive with this packaging. I think you can pick it up without this written on there as well now, but if you're looking for the most rare exclusive, then this one in this packaging is it. And on JP Fans, all I had to do was type in Liberty Walk limited edition and one of these came up. So yeah, very happy with this one. I think the packaging from Mini GT is great, and I do like keeping my diecast on the card. Sometimes I do open them. You can see a load in the background as well, but no, I'm gonna definitely be keeping this one fresh and pristine. I do really like this green paintwork. I think it looks fantastic with those white and red wheels and all the white decal as well. We've got a cool red interior, just an all-round amazing JDM casting, and I love my JDM cars, guys, especially Liberty Walk. So yeah, very, very happy to pick this one up. Let's pop it over here and let's see what else we've got, guys. Oh, we've got a few little cars now. And these are very popular diecasts that are sold in Japan. You might have heard of Tomica, but yeah, I've always heard that the premium versions are great looking diecasts. So I had to get my hands on some, and I found 3 JDM cars. This is definitely the theme today. We're getting loads of JDM cars coming in, but it had to be, didn't it? Imported from Japan. And when I saw these on JP Fans, I thought, yeah, I'm gonna have to buy those, guys. I got the Honda Civic Type R, and that's a Tomica Premium. Can you see that on there? I got a Mazda RX-7, but this is a Lawson edition one. We'll talk a little bit more about that. And last but not least, we got an R32. It had to be Godzilla, didn't it? We got ourselves a nice Nissan Skyline, and this is another exclusive from the Tokyo Auto Salon, so yeah, had to pick this one up. Really great prices on all of these as well, but this packaging is awesome, isn't it? And these I am definitely going to open because I want to see what sort of quality Tomica is. Let's start off with this Lawson exclusive RX-7. Well, I've got to say, it feels very, very weighty. A really beautiful color on this Lawson exclusive. And Lawson is a little convenience store in Japan, and they've got their own exclusive versions of Tomica. And I think this aqua blue color is on all the Lawson exclusives, which is wicked. Definitely got a metallic shine on the paint. We've got loads of detailing on the front and on that back side as well. Look at that, guys. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so we get a plastic base, but it does feel very weighty. Plastic wheels, but this is just a standard casting. But let's open the premium and see how that is. This is the premium model. This looks great, doesn't it? It does have the Honda badge on the back, and it does have that Type R decal there as well. And the FD2 Civic is definitely one of my favorite shapes of Civic. It's right up there for me. I really love it. And I don't know if you can see, but the seats are actually black and red as well on the inside. And you can't have a Civic without red seats. Very, very cool casting. quite well detailed. I don't know if there's much difference between a standard and a premium, or if this is a premium as well because it's the exclusive, but they both look great. Very, very cool castings. What do you think, guys? Which is better? Let me know in the comments, guys. And last but not least, we've got our Skyline. This one's got a little car protector on it as well. Now you can tell that there's definitely some more premium features on this, like the doors. I think they open. Yes, they do. Let's open the other side. Very nice. Can we see the interior a bit better now? We also get the Tokyo Auto Salon logo on the bonnet as well. This metallic ice blue looks fantastic. And yeah, just great tooling all around. Really cool casting. Very happy with these. I think they look great. If I was to compare them to Hot Wheels, I'd probably say they were around the Silver series, but this one's definitely giving more premium moving parts vibes. So yeah, very happy with these. I'll pop this on the box here and I'll sort these out. Let's see what else we've got, guys. I'm really excited about this one. It's my first ever Tarmac Works casting, and I've always wanted to check out some Tarmac Works. This is the Vertex Toyota Mark II JZ X100, and it is a special edition. Now the Global 64 means that this casting can roll and it can race, because in Tarmac Works you can get just display only cars that don't roll as well. And again, yes, it's the Tokyo Auto Salon exclusive for this year. So yeah, to get my hands on this one, very, very happy. And I am going to open it because it's my first ever Tarmac Works, guys. And some people will be a little bit mad at me for opening this one, but I have to see how it looks. Very nicely packaged. Well protected, which is great. But I'm going to put this in my hands because I want to feel what a Tarmac Works is like, and that is wicked. Look at the lime green color they've chosen to go with on this one, guys. And the details are just fantastic. And the tooling feels really intricate and it looks great. Oh, look at that. That is one beautiful backside. You've got Vertex Ridge written on the back here, and that is a Vertex license plate. Love this nice big exhaust that they've popped on there. And I believe the base of this is metal as well. It does feel pretty good. You get the Tarmac Works logo on the bottom. I really like the stance on this. It's riding very low on those wheels. Got a cool sun strip there as well. Metal wing mirrors, which are very much appreciated. Yeah, very happy with this one. This one was actually a lot more expensive on the UK sites because you had to either import it in or buy it from a third-party reseller. So buying this directly from Japan, including the shipping as well, I actually saved some money on this one. Definitely giving me some Need for Speed vibes, this one, guys. So beautiful. Let's pop it on the box. And last but not least, definitely not least, it is a Hot Wheels car, guys. It's the Honda S2000 in gold from the Redline Club, and it's Ryu Asada's S2000. If you don't know who Ryu Asada is, he was an amazing designer at Hot Wheels who helped design tons of castings that we all love. And unfortunately, he did pass away a couple of years ago. And to honor him, Hot Wheels did release a few different castings with his name on them. And this one's actually got his signature on there as well. I'm gonna have to open it out of this so you can see it a little bit better, guys, because it's just shining. It does come with the Hot Wheels card protector, which is great. That's protected it all the way from Japan. And look at this, guys. What an absolute beautiful car. I think it looks fantastic, guys. Look at that. And those wheels look great as well, don't they? Oh man, I hope the camera picks up how good this looks, guys. And this car was actually Ryo Asada's car in real life in this paint color. And if you take a look at the back, it does have his personal license plate on there as well, what he had at the time. That is just wicked. I'm so glad that Hot Wheels did this. And obviously this is the man himself. They just went all out for this car. And something that's just brilliant on this card, which I would love to see more from Hot Wheels, is this, a limited edition number. This is 27,388 out of 30,000 of these cars that were ever sold. So yeah, this is a proper numbered limited edition from Hot Wheels, which we've not seen for a while now. When I first started collecting Hot Wheels and I saw that I missed out on this one, I was absolutely gutted. But the other day, seeing it on JP Fans going for the price it was going for as well, in this good quality, I had to snap it up, guys. This is one of my favorite pieces in my whole collection now. Now, if you're thinking of picking up any diecast cars from Japan, you can use my JP Fans link in the description to get yourself some discount on international shipping. Let me know what you get and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys.